What's going on YouTube? Back in the video today. Got a pretty exciting one. We're going to be taking a look at my old trusty PowerMac G5 dual 2.7 gigahertz with 8 gigs of RAM and some kind of random hard drive. So, if you remember this machine by any chance, I got this about a year ago, almost a year ago. I think I got it June of 2017. It was a project I really wanted to take to the next level. I wanted to rebuild it, rebuild the cooling system, upgrade the graphics card. I've already started doing some stuff. I upgraded the RAM to 8 gigs from like 1 gig, and I think that was about it. It's been sitting on my main setup for like 4 or 5 months now, just off. I haven't powered this thing on in over a year, so it's going to be cool to see it finally turn on for the first time, and hopefully nothing leaks. Everything should be A-okay. It's been in a nice cool environment for almost a year, just sitting off, so nothing should be too terribly wrong with it, but today we're going to find out. I have everything hooked up to my Apple Cinema display over there. And yeah, let's go ahead and see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and get a different camera angle. And we'll see what happens. Alrighty guys, I'm actually off the tripod right now. So, if I take back this plastic cover, kind of give you guys a look inside the very dusty PowerMac G5. There is our AGP graphics card. I'm pretty sure it's AGP. Peeking behind the fans, we have a full 8 gigabytes of DDR. I believe it's DDR RAM. I'll put a little comment if it's wrong. Dual 2.7 gigahertz PowerMac G5. So yeah, I see all the dust and specks on it. It's dirty. Have to clean it out. It's filthy, but that will come out at a later time. I believe it's a 160 gig regular hard drive. Going to be upgrading this thing to a solid state drive eventually, just not now. Kind of the purpose of today's video is kind of just to get it ready and see what we're dealing with here, because I have not turned this machine on, like I said, in over a year. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it powered up and see what happens. Alright, so we are ready to go ahead and fire this thing up. I got my keyboard and mouse hooked up, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a shot. There are the fans running at full speed because I don't have the baffle in. Let me go ahead and put this thing in here. Okay, we have an Apple logo. That's a good sign. So we do have an OS on the drive. It's not blank, so that's good. No Apple chime, so I guess that's whatever. Okay. Looks like we're booting into something. Okay, so let me go ahead and move you guys a little bit closer to the screen so we can see what's going on here. Okay, so it looks like it's asking us to identify our keyboard. It's just a regular Logitech keyboard. Yeah, whatever. So yeah, just skip that. I guess this is running macOS server. As you can see, the date's way off. It has a Wi-Fi card in it, but you know, it was one of those parts that I was kind of skeptical if it would work or not, and it doesn't work. So it's whatever. I'm gonna see if I can't remember the name and password for this thing. Yeah, just give me a second where I see if I can't remember the name and password, if I can't log into this thing. Alright everyone, so I really can't figure out the password to this thing. I don't know the username. It's been like a year. I probably said it's something stupid, trying to be like cool server admin or something stupid like that. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is do the classic old Apple setup done trick. If you guys are old school and remember the leopard days and the snow leopard days, or you could just go into single user mode and reset the Apple setup done file, or delete the file. You could make a new user account. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick by shutting down and restarting using Command S. And hopefully we can go ahead and reset the account so we can get a new account going and see what we have that we are working with. Alright, so we're in single user mode. And I am going to find out if it still works. So give me just 1 second. And of course this drive is slow, so it's going to take forever. Alright, looks like we appear to be rebooting. So let's go ahead and see if it worked. Oh, looks like it may be working. Did it work? Yeah, it worked. Awesome. Cool. So, the instructions. Hello, what's going on here? It's asking for a serial number. Oh, crap. I have to go for my serial number, so I will be back momentarily. Well, everyone, I do not know where my serial number went. It's straight gone. So, yeah, I mean, I honestly, I don't know what to do now. Probably just gonna end up restoring from my clean install of regular Leopard, not Leopard server. My serial number is gone, probably my dead hard drive. I had all my serial numbers and all my applications and images of old software, which is gone now, so I have to re-download macOS Leopard, or I have to buy a copy. Probably just gonna buy a copy off eBay. Wait for it to get here. So yeah, at least we know that it works. Unfortunately, I failed. I tried to get it up and running, but my serial number just is nowhere to be found. I looked for one online, but the ones online aren't working. I'm pretty sure they've been blacklisted or something like that. So yeah, honestly, I don't really know what else to try. I tried resetting the Apple Setup Done file, and it brings me to this, which still asks for a server number, which still does not work. So, yeah. Guess I'll have to leave it here for right now. Next video you see will be us putting an SSD in this machine and getting a new clean install Leopard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.